Hey, it's Apple Buff and welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're gonna see how even you can fix the bug of iPhone keeps restarting easily and quickly. So without further ado, let's roll the video. It might happen that after you have updated your iPhone to the latest software update, the iPhone may get into a trouble that causes frequent restarts. And when there is no way around to bring the device back to normal, then you should make use of ReiBoot software by Tenorshare, who are quite a known name for making easy to use and efficient softwares that provide effective solutions for problems related to iPhones, iPods, and iPads. And talking about the software itself, the ReiBoot software is the world's #1 tool that has been built to fix more than 150 various iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, and even Apple TV system related problems easily and quickly. The software is available for both Windows and Mac, and the link to the software is in the description down below, so don't forget to check that out. Once you install and run the software, that's how the homepage will look like, really very clean and minimal. Next up, go ahead by connecting the device to Mac so that the software recognizes it. In the course of video, I'll show how to fix the issue using two ways. What's really good about the software is that it features one-click enter and exit from recovery mode. That indeed saves a lot of time. To bring the device into recovery mode, for that, click enter and done. Pretty easy. After some time, click exit, and doing that will restart the connected device and eventually bring it back to life. This is actually an easy way that the software offers. In case the previous way didn't work for you, you can click on start to get started. Clicking the start button will reveal two options that basically are the modes which are being provided to you, and you can use any one of them according to your system problem. Now, out of the two repair modes, we will fix the issue with standard repair that is capable of fixing most common iOS issues without any data loss. Before we move any further, make sure that the connected device is yet again in recovery mode. Since the device is connected and now in recovery mode, in this step the ReiBoot software will provide you with the firmware package that is needed to fix the problem. Once the firmware has successfully been downloaded, click on Start Standard Repair button to let the software begin the process of repair. And in a matter of something around 10 minutes, the process of repair will be done and the connected device will restart. So that's how you can get rid of the glitch of iPhone keeps restarting without actually losing any sort of data. In case the standard repair fails to fix the issue, the software also features deep repair that is capable to fix serious software related issues in minutes, but will completely reset your device. And before I end this video, I would like to admit the fact that Tenoshare's ReiBoot software is by far the most reliable and effective software that I've ever used. So don't forget to visit their official website and download the software. So with that being said, here's Apple Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.